Hi, Sohail.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I
Okay.
want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you so
Sohail,
much.
introduce yourself.
My name is MD Sohail Hussain, ma'am. I'm from Raichur, and I completed my school education in Shaktinagar in 2018, 2015. After that, I completed my diploma in Government Polytechnic College in 2018. And after that, I completed my civil engineering in Navodaya Institute of Technology in 2022. After that, I worked in NH for 1 year as a supervisor and a site engineer. After that, ma'am, my friend referred me about the CMTI, and I took the IDM Interior Design and Management course in CMTI. After she referring about this institute, I joined the.
Okay, like you have joined for interior design management, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the new topics you have covered and what you have learned in the course?
Ma'am, they teach it about the materials. What are the materials used in the interior designing, and what is the procedure of interior designing? How the design works, how the design made, and how the model is made. They teach about this, ma'am.
Okay, Sohail. How about your softwares? What are the softwares you have learned?
Yes, ma'am. The softwares are like SketchUp, AutoCAD, V-Ray, and these are the softwares they teach us, ma'am, in CMTI.
Okay, like how was the trainer support towards you? How they supported in the session?
Yeah, ma'am. They given a good support, ma'am. They clear all the doubts. When I was absent for the classes, also they given the classes after that, ma'am, and clear all the doubts about regarding the subjects and regarding the practicals.
Okay, like how was your site visits? Where all you have went?
The site visit is very fantastic, ma'am. The first site visit was a home interior, and another one is chilly kitchen and design cafe and somewhat.
Okay, what you have learned in the practical classes, like when you visited the site visits, like site and the showroom, what are the knowledge you have gained?
In site visit, we saw the different types of woods, ma'am. How the woods cutting is done, and how the expanding is labeled, and how different types of plywoods they shown us, and properties of plywood they shown, and they also shows about the different types of kitchens, and what is the different types of kitchens and the modular kitchens. This shows about that, and different types of wardrobes and bedrooms. What are the materials they used while designing? They have shown in the that like practicals.
Preparation for your interview, like how you cracked it.
Yes, ma'am. The interview is good, ma'am. And the CMDI they help me about while making the portfolios, and they while making CVs. They help about ma'am about the different how to prepare the CVs and portfolio that teachers, ma'am. After, with the help of them, we prepared those, and with the help of that, we cracked the interviews.
Okay, so for which role you have selected for?
I am selected for the interior designing.
Okay, I think you are happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am. I'm happy with this.
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI and about your placements?
Firstly, I want to thank them, ma'am, who is referred me about the CMTI. And for the future also, I tell for who is joining CMTI, I refer them, ma'am, about this. And it's a good platform. It's a good platform for making a bright future, man. It gives a good platforms and good placements and good teachings. They provide all those things, man.
Okay, so he'll like thank you for your feedback.
Thank you, man.
Uh, Congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.